new device to save. This iPhone 14 came in water damage, not charging, stuck between 0 and 1%. So immediately after our ultrasonic treatment, I took it under the microscope for inspection and diagnosis. I did some probing following the board schematics. Now luckily for me, the symptoms were not that bad. The device was still getting power. It just wasn't charging the battery or reading the battery percentage. And it's a good thing that to check the charging IC, I didn't have to split the board layers. I just had to go to the bottom layer and remove one shield. Now I had a whole different aspect to show, giving you guys a microscopic view of the whole process with explanations and whatnot, but unfortunately when I went to edit, I realized that the microscope didn't even do a recording. So maybe next time I'll take you all along for the journey. So what you're really seeing here is just me doing the final stages of the repair. After changing the charging IC, there was some small components around the battery connector that needed to be replaced as well. Here we have a test of the device operational and charging. And here it is almost fully charged. Another one saved. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.